Okay, this is just trying something out. World of Warcraft. I've played a long time ago. I'm gonna do levels. Start off level 1 to max. So that means the original, semi-original races. How many in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1 to 13. Let's go. 13, generate 12. Oh, goblin. No, wait. Undead. I'm gonna go undead. And then let's go through the classes. So it's gonna be level 1, which means I can't do death knight. So starting from the left to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 1, warrior. Okay, undead warrior. Let's go through, customize this dude. Let's see what the name can do. And alright, let's see what we got. A lot more options than I remember. Skin color, stay dark, refresh. I don't know what the bottom. That's an old school. Face. One. It's gonna be a warrior, so let's see what we got. Physics effect. I want that thing that's like the metal. Let's do bone gel. Oh, no. Bone gel. Okay. Red. That's it, right? No, means bad. Dandy? Okay. Exile Reacher, definitely. I think finish that at 1, 10. Let's do classic. Even though it's not really classic. And finish. Let's start it off. Kind of classic. And see where we're at. Shit. I don't know if you heard me. Let me see if I can get this sound better. Get my sound here. So let's skip the sound out. Let me get to this. What's the sound? system sound. It sounds high. Music's up. I'm not hearing anything though. Enable sound. It's a little too high. Let's put this down. %. How about that? Let's try that out. Okay, here we go. Interface, auto loop, clicker. Let's do all these action bars. Right. I'm a clicker, so we're gonna have to deal with that. Erasure there, erasure there. First one up here. And this is it. Yes. Fresh out of the grave. Dandu, Rice Dandu. I report to Undertaker Mordo at the Death Note graves this fall. Alright, there we go. I don't know if you can even hear me. I don't even know if the mic's working. Swipe the test anyway, so. To the side of obtain the flick embalming fluid, corpse incline, and. Oh, wait a second. That was the original. Fetch quest. I don't know if I'm loud enough. Let's be loud enough. Here we go. 1, 2. Wait, that's it? Oh, Heritage Gear. Could do Heritage Gear, but I'm going to just level up in this video. 1, 2, max. Regular gear. Okay. Minus zombies. Actually, I'm going to get trade skills, but I don't know what trade skills I should get for this guy. This is just a test to see if anyone even cares about a video like this, so. One. That's fast. Okay. Go, Marshall. William. William. How am I doing on the comments, guys? Shit. I got comments too. Maybe not. So, this test. Stopwatch. There we go. 30 minutes. There we go. See what I can do. 30 minutes. You died. Calm down, Valgrid. So I played this game originally in the original beta, what do you call it? When the hunter, made a hunter, went to 35. When the real game came out, started a warrior, and realized how tough it was in classic, and switched to hunter. Yeah, so hunter was fun. Crazy easy to solo. Okay. Yeah, running everywhere. But as a hunter, you get this the good spirit of the cheetah aspect of the cheetah. We could just pop it on whenever we're 30%. Before I ever ruin it. There we go. Oh, all the other trainers are here. And it's about the same. Warlock, Armor, weapon strength. Good 4 DPS. And I got 2 silver. I think right now speed is what you want. So 0.4, 0.6 DPS, 0.6. I'm gonna get myself on handouts. Remember, you have to get the weapon you got, you have to turn it up. Warrior. So what's the point? What's the point of that? What's the point of the trainers here when you can't? Doesn't mean anything. Well, bonk. That was screwing with me. Weapon, just got a magic. There we go. Nice. Get out of my way. There we go. Charge this more. I'm really fast. What the hell that was? What's that? Kill steal on 2. You should do that. You do that good as a hunter. Especially beast spec. Just toss it on and there we go. Just pet him. Tag it. They used to have settings in your pet. You can make it aggressive and it just tags everything. You sit there and farm. Originally, you don't do some damage on it, you're not gonna get like credit for it. The pet does everything, but I think there was a period where they switched it where you could, and they still had aggressive on, so you could just sit there and farm mobs. Yeah. Oh, his sword. And to level up. So let me put this over here. That's We'll see. Everything is very convenient in this new game. Ugly over there. I don't got anything to say. Ugly mug. Stinky rotten. I'm dead. Let's have a nice sleep. Ooh. Place has changed a lot. Oh boy, has it changed. I feel like I'm whispering. Maybe it's because I got my family around in the other room, so I don't be too loud. That's why this is a test. Test. Bats and dogs. Ooh. Sound is great. The hitting and slamming. Very visceral. To be honest, what I'm doing now is just a test. My daughter wants to do record herself playing a game, and when I was looking up World of Warcraft, there's not a lot of people recording their games and putting them on YouTube. I think they're all streaming them. There's not a lot of gameplay, so and she just wants to do Minecraft, Roblox, and there's like a million people doing that. Oh, look, maybe you can do a video. Oh. Do a video doing World of Warcraft because no one's doing it. And you've never played it before, so I think that'll work out better. We'll test and find out, see if anyone used this at all. Well, I haven't had to use this like at all, cannibalize. Back in the day, it was like one of the big reasons you even went under is to reduce downtime. Now it's like I don't even pay attention to my health. I'm killing everything in like a second. Like graze. I'm at a 4? What am I doing? Let's move this over. Noob! Boom. 5. Like crazy easy to level up. I'm gonna just regular time how long it would take to get from 1 to max. Playing half an hour to an hour every day. A month? So okay, young night scrub spiders and night red spider. I forget, I don't even know if I'm supposed to do a video, do you read the quests? PvP server too, it started out. And as a bee spec hunter, it was so much fun. Just talking with people, hiding behind trees. Jump. I think with undead, I'd like a big sword. Like a hammer goes along with it, or a big axe. Lena warrior, maybe a horn, spear, sword. I heard Fury is like one hand too now, or both, or something. I'll try that out. It's gonna be like a lean looking warrior. Two small weapons like that. I don't know, two giant weapons. It's gonna be like a standard loot. Some kind of anime. What do I need? Young Night Web Spider. Rah! 12 minutes. Quick video. Test it out. This is so easy. Already dead. I do not remember it being this easy. That's crazy. When I first played him, maybe I forget Battle Shout. Yes. No. Where? Oh, separate now. Oh, Battle Shout. Oh, alright. Save my stuff. Good. The wooden stick. Sticks of wood. Ooh. Let me see. Okay, so that's what gives me the most money. Alright. Save that stuff. Oh, was that a roll? Nothing special on again. That thing, I guess. What am I looking for? Drop Brain, Undead, and Martial Red Path. What is Red Path? Oh, that's a... I didn't even think that was a zombie. I thought that was a troll. His feet. 30 feet. It's like mayhem. There you go. I don't even need this shirt. I need a heal. And it's just too easy. I'm gonna get more of this shit quick. What's that, role play or something? Handicap yourself. I got left one. Good. Get out of here. Done with this quest. Give me videos. Kind of tough. What are we gonna talk about? running a mile to get back. Complain about loaded days. They were tougher, but it was better then. I even need food. Sold. Keeping that. I don't know what I'm going to be doing for a profession. If I do one at all. No, I should just do it. I should just play like, just play it and screw everyone else. I didn't even read that quest. I just called Remember that for shit. Is this a map? Yes, I remember that one. No! Stuck just around with my W key. The chump. To kill this bat. I'm angry about it. Take my anger out on this thing. Oh, that's right, everything scales too. Oh. There we go. Dead. Pay for it, animals. I gotta run. What's that monk dude? Monk undead. Goofy. Bone monk fist. Makes sense. Or speed. Points for that? Experience points? Finding shit. That's how it used to be. Look at that. Here, dust that. It's like for your undead, you have to make everything creepy. You could just make everything normal. Right. The first one is to death now, so I wanna. Is this an in? Let me get the quest first. Okay. Gotta reap the reapers. Ooh. Oh, shit, I need to shoot. Okay. Stealing pumpkins. No, we're not bad. We're just stealing shit. We're reaping people. Ooh, question. I'm gonna hold off the questions. If anyone bothers watching us, leave a comment what questions in here. Otherwise, this is so stupid. I don't train anymore, right? So what do I need to train it for? Ooh. Gordo. Flaca y Gordo. Riding crop? That looks like a riding crop to me. Alright, where's the end? There's a death guard. There's a pathway. some dude on a bed. I don't know if I want to play focus some dude on a bed. Right? Like 21 minutes, like 9 minutes. Let's see if I can get this quest done in 9 minutes. Let's do that first. Fields of Grief and Reaping Acres. Steal pumpkins and kill farmers for defending their crops. So I'm a nice guy. Take this pumpkin. It's huge. You know what I'm putting this thing. Hey buddy, come by. Just farming. Die though. Is invisible? Sneaky farmers. 2 hits. Communication. Oh, okay. Done. I don't know if it's 2 hits. I really feel like I'm a bad guy. Stealing pumpkins, killing farmers. Do I need to eat them? Do I need to eat? I don't need to breathe. I don't age. Let's see what's in here. Anybody in here? Oh. I wish they had, like, names, like, generated names. Like, Triswell Farmer, and then, like, in parentheses, like, Steve or Bud. Sorry. Oh, something's done. Run away, run away. There you go. Oh, take this one, you take that one. And it all, take that, take my stick. A wooden stick for training. Nope, those are my files. What is that? 5 more minutes. Let's see if we can do this 5 more minutes. Thump. The bony shoulder. Oh. Hamstring. Take that slow death. Go to the ever so long fast. Oh. What a miserable place. Nothing useful. Okay. The vial from captured. It's back on this. Wounded. Oh. That's easy. Take him. Looking for that creepy guy in the bed. Oh, his eyes blinking. That's nice. Keep your eyes on. Maybe. Oh, gosh. Don't do that. He's gonna kill it. That used to be a thing too. Like, if you want to be safe, go on the path. Zigzag. Things were better in my day. Hand in and shut this thing down. Good, definitely. You good. 0.6. Nope. Garbage. 3 copper more. I'm getting. Is that me? Yeah, it was. Okay, still copper. Start with. Steel gun. Ooh, get some boots. This guy wants the Murloc. The creepy guy in the bed. Oh, what is... Oh, it's weird. Why does he want that thing with him in his bed? Get out of there. Okay, one more minute left. I'm not gonna waste it here. I'll sell this shit. I like these guys if they didn't have the ribs. I don't think you need that. I feel like that. They look better, but... Gone. I can keep this and potion. There's enough for a bag. I'm just looking for bags. Okay. So let's just get some bags. Okay, so 78. That's what, the one brown satchel. There we go. That. There. Put this extra stuff here. I don't know if I need it or not. I'm gonna buy it. I don't know if I'm gonna even make another video. Alright, 30 minutes, so I'm shutting this down, posting it, and then see if anyone cares. If anyone does watch this, a suggestion on what trade skills I should get. And I think when it comes to one of these, you can leave a suggestion, or I'll just do a random roll. Just pick, do random number generator, and just 1 of 3. 1 is protection, 2 carry, 3 arm. And just do it that way. Alright. See you if I see you. First video successful? Alright. Bye. Wish I had one. Stop.